Hello everyone. We will learn how to test the NFC functionality on the Youyeetoo development board. The Youyeetoo X1 is an x86 architecture single-board computer launched by Youyeetoo Tech. It can run full-featured versions of Windows and Linux. It features low cost and high performance. First, let's gain a basic understanding of what NFC entails. NFC is a short-range wireless communication technology. It enables data exchange between electronic devices. This technology is widely applied across various scenarios. For instance, it is used in mobile payments, electronic ticketing, and identity authentication. Now, let's learn how to test the NFC functionality. On the Youyeetoo development board, we will utilize an Android application. This app has been adapted for the Android 14 version. You can use it with confidence. Click to download this testing app. After the installation is complete, launch the app to prepare for testing. Next, open the Qt testing program. In the app, you will see two main areas. One is for the X1 SBC to transmit data to the mobile app. The other is for the mobile to send data to the X1 SBC. First, tap the button to initiate the test. Write the Youyeetoo official website tagline. The log area indicates that the tag has been successfully written. Now, let's bring the phone close to the NFC antenna again. Let's see what happens next. You can see that the phone recognizes the tag. By tapping the tag, you can be redirected to the Youyeetoo official website. Next, write the tag to launch WeChat. Let the phone come close to the NFC again. By tapping the tag, you can enter WeChat. Finally, test the message intercommunication. Click to send. Let the X1 send a message to the phone. You can see that the phone has successfully received the message from the X1. Next, the phone also sends a message to the X1. The X1 has also successfully received the message. Alright, that concludes the basic process of how to test NFC functionality on the Youyeetoo development board.